Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBAY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Doing this state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective. Let me actually move this up. There we go. But you look down here at the volume, and it's still kind of hard to see. Can you have some of these monster volume days over here? But overall, a nice little chunk of volume here occurred, and of course, the price acted nicely with it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and then a resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above $6.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.90, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above the 690 mark would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going into Wednesday? As far as the sellers are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party stop today up there at 735. So 735 will be the key level of resistance. But all in all, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already started to do, and that is this right here. Building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher lows, and sit back and let the trend continue to do what it's already started to do. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.